Welcome to Iraqi Dinar News, your go-to destination for insightful analysis on Iraq's evolving financial markets, investment opportunities, and dinar developments. Today's update focuses on growing interest in Iraq's stock market, particularly through an emerging channel, Wise Investment Holding Group. With more investors asking about how to participate, we're diving into how this group operates, the sectors gaining traction in Iraq, and what it means for everyday investors looking to support Iraq's economic resurgence. A growing number of individuals are actively seeking ways to participate in Iraq's post-conflict economic revival, and one standout opportunity lies in the Iraqi stock market. Much of the recent interest has been funneled through a group called the Wise Investment Holding Group, which has earned attention for its transparency and well-documented track record in Iraq's developing financial sector. Wise Group has been operational since March 2019, originally starting with a small, invite-only group of investors. Since then, it has expanded access to the public. The organization offers investors a chance to join collective investment blocks, similar to how larger fund groups like those managed by Warren Buffett operate. Rather than individuals selecting specific stocks, Wise Group's expert analysts manage the investment process, selecting shares based on their analysis of the IRX stock exchange. Investors who join are given access to real-time data regarding where funds are allocated. Transparency appears to be a cornerstone of their operation. For instance, those who are part of the group can view details about the companies included in their portfolio, giving them a clearer picture of the group's investment strategies. Based on their most recent investment allocations, the banking sector appears to be the primary focus. This aligns with broader investor sentiment that Iraq's financial institutions, once stabilized, will lead the way in economic modernization. Additional interest is evident in telecommunications, soft drink manufacturing, and infrastructure sectors, all of which are expected to see growth as Iraq rebuilds. It's important to clarify that while this method of investing offers convenience and collective bargaining power, it doesn't replace individual due diligence. Those considering participation should reach out directly to Wise Group and request their onboarding materials. According to available reports, Wise Group holds an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, with no registered complaints, indicating a level of operational trustworthiness that's rare in frontier market investing. Many users in the community have voiced a shared preference regarding Iraq's potential currency revaluation. A popular hope among dinar holders is that Iraq maintains the current denomination structure, leaving the 3 zeros on the currency, before adjusting the exchange rate upward. This would allow existing holders to benefit significantly if a new valuation were implemented. While the Central Bank of Iraq has discussed the possibility of removing zeros in the past, nothing definitive has been implemented. Investors are advised to remain vigilant. Should the deletion of zeros be announced, reputable news sources and channels like Iraqi Dinar News will immediately provide guidance on what steps to take to preserve investment value. Another topic gaining traction is real estate and land ownership. A number of group discussions have pointed to a rising interest in acquiring undeveloped land across Iraq. Investors believe that land, unlike constructed buildings, holds value with less risk of depreciation. As Iraq continues to stabilize, it's expected that demand for land, particularly for agricultural and urban development, will increase. There are also discussions surrounding cryptocurrency as an alternative investment strategy. Some members of the community express enthusiasm about XRP, XLM, Ethereum, and other crypto assets. While performance in these markets has been strong recently, others remain cautious, preferring the perceived safety of tangible assets like gold and silver. This diversity of opinion underscores the importance of diversification in any investment portfolio. One frequently asked question in the community is whether Wise Group provides direct financial advice. The answer is no. They do not offer personalized financial recommendations. Instead, they operate as an investment facilitator, They manage pooled funds, execute trades on behalf of members, and provide visibility into how funds are allocated. This structure allows investors who may not have the time or experience to navigate the ISX on their own to participate in a regulated and data-driven way. Additionally, questions have surfaced regarding how to convert Iraqi dinars in the event of a redenomination or valuation adjustment. As of now, there is no active process to exchange physical dinars for new currency unless officially announced by Iraq's financial authorities. Should the central bank decide to delete zeros or implement a new valuation, an official announcement will provide the timeline, procedures, and authorized exchange channels. Until then, holders are advised to keep their currency safe and avoid unauthorized dealers or speculative offers. For those interested in supporting Iraq's recovery through stocks, Wise Group may offer a starting point, but it should not be considered a substitute for informed financial planning. Always assess risks, research your entry points, and consider consulting with a licensed advisor before making large commitments. Lastly, as investment conversations expand, it's important to avoid misinformation and maintain realistic expectations. President Trump's past remarks regarding Iraq's $35 billion 0 cents in oil payments sparked debate among dinar enthusiasts. However, his comments were related to oil transactions and U.S.-Iraq economic agreements, not a direct endorsement or confirmation of dinar revaluation. Understanding the broader context of such remarks is crucial in separating hype from actionable intelligence. To wrap up, Iraq continues to move toward economic normalization. The ISX is slowly gaining attention, and for those willing to navigate the complexities of frontier markets, there may be considerable potential. Whether you choose to invest through Wise Group or another avenue, the key is staying informed, avoiding speculation and focusing on long-term value rather than overnight riches. As always, Iraqi Dinar News will keep you updated on every relevant change, be it in policy, market opportunities, or revaluation plans.